See there. See there, good morning. Yeah man, good morning viewers. And my family and friends. And most of all my enemies. On the voice of Bedmiller. You see it? Yeah man. I don't do nothing long this morning, you know. I'm not to beach me I go. Come on, go down to Jacobsville Church. You see, because yeah man. Because from a day Pastor Earl invite me down there. So I go down, I sit down among some God-fearing people. Yes. But I want people to know say because of the voice of Bedmiller, why them money I play ball at morning time. Yeah man. Because they have in football space now when they can keep and maintain. You know see it? Because I burn so much fire last me start talking until night catch me last night. I mean there's a chat same way. And because of the voice of Bedmiller better. Why is this going on now? Of the place in so forested. But the track and field time, a track's time now. Then feed the entire place is cut. The entire place is cut now, a track and field time now. You know see it? Give thanks to the man play in football. They can keep them the unity. You know see it, and will exercise them body a morning time. See man on the wall I watch them. You say because of the voice of Bedmiller, because of my voice. You know see it. Can we put it to the public and the public see what go on and you see it. This graceful condition the part of the place right now. You know see it? Yeah man. See man much man. We didn't just start out with a few man. I'm gonna see the way they go spread. I wouldn't can keep the unity. Because back in the days a big goal to play. Every Sunday morning a big goal. If I find a big goal, you know see to the one day. Big goal to play. Big goal to play back in the few days. You see no scrimmage. Big goal. Every Sunday morning. About Sunday morning and Saturday morning too. And that me want back to Falmouth. Man, I play them football and I keep them sports. And I keep, because sports is a thing that can unify the people. Them. Yeah man, sports unify people. And music same way. You know see it? But what? Come in and talk long, you know. Come in and make me content him long, you know. On the television, you know. Because we soon stop this, and post to be short. Because of the voice. The same voice where you see the bonfire in the dark. You know see it? For me last something there. You know see for the last post I post. I say if you share me thing them, you know. So even if 100 people view it, me alright. Because I discovered the one last night when we were hour. I try to cut it down for half an hour, but when I start bonfire in the place get dark, I can't see what I go on. I just can't talk. Because sometimes I get so yeah man, sometimes I get so dark, you know. I don't want to people, some people again. From the levels. But the people too hypocritical man and you know see that and attack. Because all of me I try though. I feel do good to my community. PMP and JLP can divide, can make me hate my people to my Falmouth, my friends them. I love and unity we want in the town. The man I play them ball the morning time. I want to know because of the voice of Bedmiller. The same voice where the heck on the dark. Last night, when I bonfire and a show. But the feel in a seat. You understand me? You go to me call out to all Andre right now. I know if Andre them and Tiger then can come. Can I ask Tiger if they can, but Tiger say if they get time again, they can come do it. You go to Andre. And I forgot to talk. I go close by saying say Andre is a past student. You know see? Out of ignorance enslaved and knowledge liberate. Andre is a past student of NIB. Andre love football. Andre love sports. He love football. couple of spend him manage. Good youth. No matter political party may be a part, Andrew a good youth, the young boy, the young youth there. And him cut it. Him taking workers him off of the road and cut them part. Yeah. Tiger tell me everything, you know. Big up yourself, Tiger. But Tiger, me tell you say, man like on the wrong fence, you know. Man like on should be a part of PMP. But on the choose you want be a me on the choose the party on the one the party on the choose. I found no choice. I found no choice that. But me now start big up you to do this. I hear me 100 do it. Because all the man them point them finger. They point them finger, God and him man there and Tova. You know see it. They point them finger and to one another and him here. I mean I repeat what I talked about last night. And because of the voice of Bedmiller, why is this a going? You know see, why cut last year them time. And the man make sure maintain it. The part of them play them ball. But as I say, a track and field time now. You them entire thing to cut. Yeah man, the entire thing to cut. So the youngsters them can get. I just remember one, you know see, because I forgot Jacob's right now. I start to forget Jacob's well. Down at Davis, we go start much and you see. Church me go. Can we go start our church now and get among some God fearing people. But some of them people don't fear God again. They don't take the Bible for mockery and take Jesus for mockery. Me stand up for Jesus. Because Jesus is the real poor people defender. And me stand up for Michael Manley. Real poor people defender. You know see it? Yes. So as I say, it's only if you cut, brother. You know see, look on them maca. When you call them sitting here. Yeah man, grass on the place. I just said the running part of the place, you know. I just said the part the kids them running, them part you know. Because if you run fast, you have to go round the sun. And look how you have to stay. They can't practice nothing at all. I want to better. How you do the money? You play ball? Well, I tell you general. Some man here see boy, I just see me one circle, I'm on time, but I'm going to beach, you know. Go drink me curky peanut and plantain. But love, because of the vice of Bedmiller, I want to know that because of my vice. The same vice where they, you know see, where they echo in the darkness. More than the sheer the post there, you know. And I'm burn fire upon all the guard team, you know. Big up yourself, guard still, you know. Guard my friend, you know. But you have to pull up him socks, brother. And be a warrior for the people, them. For the people them elect you to serve them. And stop sitting down in a parish council and gauge them and dictate the thing upon you. And if you demonstrate more time and vice, so because all the same, let's see the time comes still. Yeah man, them time come in such a way. Yeah. I'm play them football, brother. How much? You know see it? And the Queens of time fly. So me I left us on the beach, you know. Look for the man them, brother. Look for the man them. Key was on the wall, the man them, everybody. You know see it? Everybody there. You know see man like whoa. Just show me the one, I don't want to go amongst the man, but I tell the man, say, we love this here. And the man can keep the vibe same way. And keep all the vibes same way. Yes. That's the whole the man them goal, everybody. You know see. Pragba. You know see. You are so late, Ras. You're late, you never get no game, go on the wall. Go back on the wall, man. You come too late, man. You can't come up on them. You can't come back at them time, man. You know? No, son to what, man? No, man. Ball game nice. No, man. Go back on the wall. Nice, man. Go back on the wall. No, ball game nice. Don't give no game. Go back on the wall. You're late, man, youth. You're late. No give no game, man. You're late, brother. Man like you just a come.
Sorry, I didn't take it serious.
Hey, Delano. Come on for the field, but you're late, man, youth. You can't come and tell my man and say that to come play football, man, youth. You need to come out for the FIBA General. You're late.
Chip in our boat, chip.
And shoes in left, man.
A chip, man. I'm not here, chip.
Right, man, tell you. Hey, brethren, we don't keep a strength seeing me, and you love seeing me, brother. Yeah, man, we keep a love seeing me, and because of me, not this a go on phone, Because me born for you down in the goal. And because of me, why this a when I play ball, If we start joke business. Okay, and because of me born for you last year, terrible. You know, check out the voice of Bedmiller, brother. I pay for you, me and born, Yeah. Yeah, man, so a beach me I go on now. Come if I got Jacobs well. A Bible is different goal, you know. We have a good people pass Bible, you know. Where's the Bible? Bible, where you say nobody can score you to this man, you know. You know, see the Bible different, you know. The man of God. Yes, no boy can score, no boy can pass Bible this morning, you know.
No boy.
You know, see. You the man named Bible. Well, I tell you, man, some name of Falmouth better than normal. The terms of Falmouth are the best place to live. Falmouth are the best place in Jamaica to live right now. Falmouth. Everything there so now. In the seat. Yeah, man. Because the biggest mobile hotel them are come to Falmouth. Because them in a ship. Them in a mobile hotel. Starward was ship. Yeah, man, my uncles I used to work on, Starward. Them not ship, but at some mobile hotel. I come from Falmouth. Falmouth nice, brother. I'm going to say, I'm glad to say, because of the voice of Bedmiller. I sign out now, 11 minutes gone, I'm not going to be too long. Like a beach, you know, come on, I'm going to Jacobs well. In the seat. Yeah. Yes, goal. I will say the play again, goal. Studs.
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, man, a big ball is there, you know. Farmer Studs ball like that. Well, I tell you, man. Yes, I have goal. Farmer Studs ball, brother. I say go, brother. Yeah, man, remember, man. Put on goal. Yeah, back in the days. But I tell you, yeah, man. Yes, goal. You may not forget them days, brother. Yeah, man. Yes, the vibes nice. I'm not the one left, but I have to lift mine out. If I got a beach, go drink my porridge, I want to go to a church among some God-fearing people. Because them people at Jacobs, they invite me. I want something. I want crusade when you down there last week. Because I'm pastor early reason, you know. I'm pastor early reason to 11 and the man sister boy in a seat. These are youth who know my Bible and know certain things. So pastor will invite me. I'm telling him, say, boy, I can't take a night service them. You know, see me if I come in the seat. You know, come one the day service like the Sunday morning now. Because I'm going to get my car if I move on yet. If I just go and move on my bicycle. Because I have a car and I make, you know, my Virgin Anthony garden work on for me. You know, see it. Because I go start up with the car there. And then, you see it, and then step up my thing. Yeah, but that's what I say still. But as I say, I'm talking of brother now. You know, see me, I go to beach now. Beach me I go. Yes, beach me I go. Beach me I go. Sometimes I don't want to left, brother. But the beach me I go now still. Yes, love the vibes, but me can keep it up. Yes, like us back in the days. Yeah. One love, and big up yourself, Suko. Big up yourself, Suko. Yes,